Bluebloomsworld channel. My name is Opeyemi Richardson-Owiebo, and I'm always super excited to have you on my channel. We sure do know what this channel is all about, right? And we know what this session is all about. Yes, painting, printing, and recycling. Yes, awesome, right? And the channel offers wholesome, inspiring, and educative art content. Beautiful. So if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. The button is just right there. Just a click right away, and don't forget to share. I sure do appreciate this. I'm really grateful. Thank you so much. So guess what we are doing today? Yes, we are creating something awesome today. We're going to learn something awesome today. Look at my hand. My right hand has paint, right? Look at my left hand. Does it have paint? No. Now, look at what I'm going to do now. I press together, and open up. What happens? Yes, this has the pattern on this. So the paint is showing on the two ends and is symmetrical. That means we have the same pattern, the same effect. Beautiful. So that's what we are creating today. We are creating blotto art. Yes, it's called blotto art because you create your pattern on one side, you create your painting, and when you're done, you fold your paper, you press together, and by the time you open it, just the way I clapped my hands and opened up, that same way when you open your paper, you have symmetrical design. Yes, the same design. Just like you look at the mirror. When you look at the mirror, you see yourself looking back at you. Awesome. So, are we eager to create? Let's go create.
Butterfly blotto painting. Let's begin. A4 size card. Water to wash your paintbrush. Paint, yes, already on the palette. Rag to wipe your brush. Paintbrush, yes, our paintbrush. Okay. So now get your paper ready and drop some water in the paint. Now why you have to do this is to make your paint loose enough to spread. Now fold your card gently and open it back. So gently fold on one side and then open it back. Now make half painting of the butterfly on one side of the card. Now why it has to be half is because remember the way the butterfly is. So you have to make half of that butterfly pattern on one side while painting. Be free with your patterning, add colors, create the shape the way you want it, depending on the way you want your butterfly. Add also half of the body. Create pattern in the wings. Now gradually finish up and then fold. Fold gently. Now open up. Ta-da! Yes! What a beautiful repeated design. What a beautiful mirrored design. Now let's add the antennas and a beautiful background. Yes, to make it complete. Remember, your work has to be well finished. Yes. So when adding the antennas, remember you need to add just one. By the time you fold, the second one will be mirrored, will be repeated. Now for the background, I decided to make it on both sides, but making sure that they are of this different points. So the one on the right will repeat on the one on the left, while the one we make on the left will repeat on another part on the right. Awesome, right? Now we are done patterning. Let's fold up and press gently. Remember, press gently. Now open up. Wow. Wow, you can see the flowers, yes. So we ended up having 4 flowers on one side. On each side, we have 4 flowers. Now look at the old composition. See how beautiful it is. Remember the antenna, we made one. By the time we folded, the other repeated. So you can see how beautiful this Blotto painting is. The butterfly is so wonderful and the background is beautiful. Awesome, right? You can add glitters if you want to make it sparkle. Awesome, awesome, so beautiful, so beautiful.
Welcome back. That was fun, right? Yes, it was fun. And see the magic. Awesome, right? We had fun. And it was sure an easy craft to make, right? Yes. And don't forget, you can create a lot of beautiful masterpieces with this type of art. Remember, it's called butterflyart. Awesome. So I can spell that for you. Blotto. Blotto. It's called butterflyart. So what you're doing is you are creating your pattern on one side, fold your paper, press together. Remember, very simple steps. And by the time you open up, you create that pattern. You create that symmetrical effect. Symmetrical simply means the same. Awesome, right? Please don't forget all the steps we've learned. Sure, we've learned a lot. And you can see that the steps for this is very simple. So I'm going to take it again. Fold your paper. When you fold your paper, it helps you to know half of the paper. Open up. Now, create your pattern with paint on one side. Make sure your paint is not dry. So, create your pattern on one side of the paper. When you're done creating your pattern, simply close back and gently press. It is not a time for you to start moving your paper and no, just gently press together on a flat surface. Remember, on a flat surface, so that if you're holding it, your paint would drip out. So just have it flat on the surface. Press it gently. Press gently. Make sure you can press by rubbing your hand over the whole surface, and then when you're done, you open it up. I'm sure you're going to have a very interesting repeated pattern. Beautiful, right? Don't forget to give a thumbs up if you enjoyed this activity and you're sure you have learned a whole lot. Looking forward to seeing you again on my channel. Till then, bye!